Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Discord developer mode. To get started, make sure you are connected to a strong internet. So once it's done, let's get straight into this. Open up Discord app on your mobile or PC. So here we are on Discord. You will see this type of interface. Now go and tap on the user setting. So once you're on your user setting, what you need to do is scroll right to the bottom of the side menu here and scroll down and click on advanced option. So as you can see here, we can see developer mode. All you have to do is click on it and enable it. So that is how easily you are able to enable developer mode on Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.